Hello everyone and welcome to this new designer tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use MEVACO template in order to prepare such drawing. So you're going to see how easy it really is. Let's start. First of all, you need to log in to your MEVACO account. So go to the MEVACO website and log in. Once you have logged in, you gain an access to our MEVACO product, to our software designer. So I can turn this off. I can choose Tools, MEVACO Product Designer. That will bring me to Designer interface where I can choose my perimeters. So let's do that. I'm going to choose pretty standard perimeters, perforation round hole staggered diameter 10 and hole pitch 15. Let's do it that way. End pattern, finished pattern. Let's choose material steel, thickness 1.5, surface treatment without further treatment, so without painting. I click on Add Position, confirm my perimeters, choose Layout. I'm going to choose multiple perforated zones layout, and you're going to see why. Here we have a sketch and some dimensions can be adjusted. So I'm going to add columns. I would like to have two columns in order to have those two perforated zones. F1 I would like to keep at 50 millimeters and B1 and B2 at 550. B2 has been updated automatically. I'm going to leave the overall dimensions 1250 and 800 as they are, as well as the margins around 50 millimeters. So let's click on Create. Let's move to the perforated zone. I'm turning off my grid, and here we go. We are ready to work and to play around with our corners. As you remember from the initial sketch, I would like to make square cuts in my corners. So I'm going to go to the tools, select corner, select a corner type, notched corner, 40 by 40 was predefined. I'm going to use this option here and apply the settings by clicking in the corner. That's done. Let's say I would like to increase this dimension 100 by 100. I'm going to apply this in the top right corner. See what happens. An exclamation mark on red background has appeared. I'm going to open this information, and this information says too narrow margin, select bigger margin. So I have two options. I know that I need to make this corner smaller or adjust perforated zone area appropriately. So to sum up, my perforated zone cannot overlap with the contour or outline. I would like to revert to my previous settings, so I'm going to click on Undo. Error has disappeared, and adjust this corner to 40 by 40 and apply it to all three remaining corners. So also at the bottom, that's done. Now, I would like to add some more dimensions. There are overall dimensions and margins have been measured. It has been done automatically. I would like to add dimension here. First click and a second click to define the endpoint, and a third click to set the line in place. Also, I would like to check what's the gap in between, just to measure this distance here. I'm going to do the same dimensioning line, starting point and the end point. Just have a look here. You have two options. If I move my mouse pointer to the right of the center, this outer dimension appears. And when I move it to the left, you can see the smaller inner dimension. So again, to the right, to the left, I would like to keep the smaller dimension. So I click to confirm it. And now I just need to set it in place. Let's say I would like to have it here. Perfect. It's done. Pretty much happy with this plate and design. I can go to the preview setting. Looks well. So I'm ready to order. I go to summary. I adjust the number. I can give it a name. For example, balcony A1. And now I can label this position. This is a very handy tool, especially when you have more plates. Then it's easier to redistribute them on site or to know which one should go to the balcony A1, which one to balcony A2. So it's really a very handy tool. I strongly recommend it. Now I'm ready to order. So I click on calculate and my shopping cart has been updated. So I click on the shopping cart with this orange circle and you see that there is one position inside it. So I can check my price. Also, you've got this icon here. Should you prefer to adjust your drawing or make some amendments, you can click on this icon that will bring you back to Designer. I'm going to click on Proceed to Checkout. I'm happy with my prices. I'm happy with my drawing. I can add order number. I'm going to check billing address, delivery address, and click Check Order. Now I can finally click on Purchase. So we are done. Thank you so much for your attention and have fun with Designer.